What's up, millionaires? Welcome back to Millions, where we break down all things money and freedom. Today, we're diving into part one of 10 ways you can make anywhere from $10,000 to even $100,000 a month, working from anywhere in the world. That's right, beach, cabin in the woods, or your cozy couch. This is all about online income, baby. All right, let's get right into it because I know you're here to make moves, not waste time. Ready? Let's go. First up, we have online courses and digital products. You're sitting on a gold mine of knowledge, whether it's fitness, finance, cooking, or coding. Build a course, sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, and boom, you've got a passive income stream. People are paying for what you know. Why not cash in? Next is freelance consulting or coaching. Are you an expert in marketing, career advice, business strategy? You can charge anywhere from $100 to $1,000 an hour, depending on your niche. One-on-one coaching or consulting is big money, especially in competitive fields. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Share a product, drop a link, and every time someone buys it, you get a commission. This is massive on YouTube, blogs, and Instagram. Now, before you head off to start making that money, let me ask you something. Do you want to keep learning how to make money online and gain more freedom in your life? Of course you do. So hit that subscribe button right below. It's free, and it'll keep you up to date with all the best tips to grow your income online. And don't forget to smash that like button. Every like helps more people find this video. And together, we can build a community of future millionaires. So hit that like and subscribe, and let's keep this money train rolling. I'll see you in the next video with even more strategies to help you crush your financial goals. Until then, keep hustling, keep grinding, and go after your dreams.